Hi guys! Today we are in the town Logroño. Logroño is the capital of region La Rioja in northern Spain. La Rioja is the land of vineyards and red wine. My name is Tatiana Zappa. Let's go discover this city with me. Vineyards cover the entire Ebro Valley, and wine battles are held every summer in the town Aro. Logroño was an old settlement, first of the Romans a commercial port, and then of the Celts. From the 10th century, possession of Logroño was disputed between the kings of Navarre and those of Castile. The region was finally annexed to Castile. Alfonso VI of Castile granted Logroño in 1095 a charter of rights that served as a model of the Spanish cities. In 1609 and 1610, Logroño was the main seat of the Basque witch trials, part of the Spanish Inquisition. This monument is dedicated to General Espartero and is located in the center of Espolon Park by the architect Louis Thomas and sculptor Pablo Gilbert, opened in 1872.
I'm a stranger, here to win, here to sin. Oh, hey, gonna make it. Game is on, and I can't go wrong. I may just seem to play it cool. I may just be right.
The cathedral of the city of Logroño is called Santa Maria della Redonda. The architectural image of the cathedral was built over the 3 centuries of the 16th, 17th and 18th in the Baroque style. The main facade of the church has a stone altar and the address, and overlooks the Old Market Square. The unusualness and difference of this cathedral from others are the 2 towers that give the cathedral a strict verticality. This strange building, that looks like a huge iron box, is the cultural center of the province of La Rioja, and it usually hosts various exhibitions and educational events.
Never fall, stay on your toes. I may just seem to play it cool. I may just rewrite all the rules. Money maker, so but never tell. I heard a rumor.
The Imperial Church of Santa Maria de Palacio was built between the 12th and 13th centuries, and the altar was rebuilt in the 15th century.
Solo un rayo del sol cambia el tiempo en el reloj. Hoy mis deudas reciben perdón. Pago por el show. Me siento feliz porque si no soy yo, pues quién. Todos caen a mi lado. El freno lo arranqué. Me siento feliz porque yo no dudo mi power. Te burlaste de mí, se acabó. Trata de festejar, celebramos el bien carro que corra más. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe. Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Tantas estrellas brillan y Marte me espera mientras rodea. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe. Quiero un carro que corra más. Traigo un fin y después fumo un cabo de cigarette. Me pierdo en la ciudad. Ha llegado mi tiempo ya. Voy a vivir porque si yo no soy yo, pues ¿quién? Todos caen a mi lado. Los menos los arranqué. Me siento feliz porque